Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Power on the jack F5, raise the presser foot so tension releases, and mount the spool with the correct cap. Feed the thread through the bobbin winding path and secure it into the bobbin hole, then press the bobbin winder and run the motor until the bobbin is evenly wound. Once done, cut the thread, return the bobbin to its case, and set the machine balance. This saves time and prevents bunching when you begin threading the upper path. Now thread the upper assembly carefully. Place the spool and bring the thread to the first top guide, then follow the numbered path on the head. Guide 1, guide 2, then into the tension discs so the thread seats fully. Next, lead it up to and through the K-cup lever. Make sure the lever is at its highest point so the thread catches properly. Finally, bring the thread down toward the needle bar, leaving enough slack. Because consistent tension here ensures even stitches, finish by threading the needle from front to back, leaving a 4 to 6 cm tail to prevent slipping. Lower the presser foot, hold the needle thread, and turn the handwheel toward you one full revolution to lower and raise the needle so it catches the bobbin thread. Then pull both threads to the back under the presser foot. So a few test stitches on scrap. If loops or puckering appear, make small tension adjustments. If the needle skips, change to a fresh needle and rethread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.